Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT video lecture series, and this is Lata Krishna from biology stream. We have seen the various features, that is characteristic features of the class Aves, and demarcating features, unique features, and also some common features with other classes also dealt in the previous session. And in this session, we are going to learn about classification of Aves. The class Aves is divided into two subclasses, that is Archaeornithis and Neornithis. They have kept this hyphen. Archaeornithis and Neornithis are the two subclasses the Aves was divided. Archaeornithis is a primitive subclass of the birds, and all birds are extinct. And the main example is Archaeopteryx. It is considered as it was observed by Andreas Wagner in limestone rocks of Jurassic period. It is discovered from Bavaria, from Germany, and for long period it was not identified. These birds have teeth in their beak or mouth. Sternum is flat and furcular bone is absent. Just now in the previous session we have discussed that furcula or the wishbone or merithot is a bone which is formed by the fusion of the clavicle with the interclavicle to form a fork-shaped structure, V-shaped bone, that is called the wishbone. That is absent in the class Archaeornithis, and all the birds of this subclass are extinct, and wing bone or wishbone, that is absent, and feathers are present. Just see the picture of that bird. Just it's an imaginary picture it is. You can see teeth in the beak. Actually, birds do not possess teeth in their mouth, but this is the case where you can find teeth in the mouth. This is considered to be the connecting link between aves and reptilia. And the second subclass is Neornithis, and it is again divided into four superorders. And first is the Paleognathae, also called as Ratitae. In that, birds with the primitive characteristics, that is this group, Ratitae group, include all the flightless birds. I'll show you the picture of flightless birds and examples of flightless birds in later session. Ostrich is one of the examples of flightless birds. It is present in Africa. And Rhea americana, it is also an ostrich, but it is found in American ostrich. African ostrich is Struthiocamelus, and it is Rhea americana is the American ostrich. And cassowary, emu, these are other, even kiwi, it is present in New Zealand. Cassowary and emu, they are confined to Australia. So these birds show discontinuous distribution, where we find this kind of distribution in dipnoi fish, where they are found in Africa, America and Australia. Like that, these birds are discontinuously distributed. Their distribution is not continuous, that is, they are not distributed evenly or globally. Only they are found in certain regions of the globe. That is, for example, if you take kiwi, it is confined to the region that is New Zealand. But Struthio camellus, that is African ostrich, is found in Africa, and Rhea americana is found, another ostrich found in America, and cassowary and emus are found in Australia. Their distribution is discontinuous and they are endemic to that continents or countries or regions, whatever we call. And the second super order is Impenne. First one is the Paleonete or Ratite, in which the flightless birds were included. And second superclass is Impenne. Example, penguins. Penguins are they found in South Pole region in Antarctica, that are very cold regions, polar regions they found. And four limbs are modified into flippers. Flippers, they can't fly, but they can swim. The flippers, the four limbs are modified into flippers. And the third super order is Odontonete, fish-eating toothed birds. Fish-eating birds, and all the birds are extinct. And fourth one and the last one is the Neonete, modern birds of the present period. They belong to Neonete. Neo means new, Paleo means old, primitive, Neo is new. Odonto means dental, teeth. Like that they were named to the super orders. These are the four super orders of the subclass Neornithes. And Arctic tern, examples are Arctic tern, migratory bird, migrates from North Pole to South Pole. Hummingbirds, smallest ones, and swift, which can fly fastly. And hibernates, it can hibernate also, that is the dormant period. They takes rest for some time. And peafowl, Pavocristatus. And order Galliformis. And the male is called the peacock. Peahen, peacock. Peacock is the male one and peahen is a female bird, which is a national bird. Our national bird is peacock. And that is Pavocristatus, Namali and Tankada, that is our national bird. And quail or cuckoo, which is the scientific name of this is Eudinamis, and it is a brood parasite of crow's nest because it lays eggs in the nest of crow. It cannot hatch the eggs. Incubation or hatching is taken by the crow. So the quail is considered as a brood parasite of crow's nest. And it has a melodious, it produces melodious sound. And Great Indian Bustard, highly endangered bird of Rajasthan. Albatross, largest bird is albatross. And vulture is carnivorous bird. Eagle and hawk both are predator birds. And type of feet, different types of feet are present in birds which aid in swimming, walking, running, and even holding the branch like that. Perching type of feet, these are adapted for fastening the foot to a branch, or it is called perch. Example, sparrow and crow. If you see a crow or a parrot or a sparrow, it holds the branch like this. Like this it holds. This is called perching. Raptorial type of feet. These are adapted for snatching or robbing food. Example are owl, vulture, kite and eagle. They just rob the food. Wading type of feet, these are adapted for walking on water surfaces. Example, jacana and heron. They just walk over the surface of the water. And cursorial type, these are adapted for running. Cursorial type is for running. Ostrich, Great Indian Bustard, and Rhea americana, emu are examples of this kind, examples of having this kind of cursorial type of feet. Sanctorial type of feet, these are adapted for climbing. Example, woodpecker and parrot. These are adapted for climbing. These are the various types of feet. One is perching type of feet, and second raptorial type, third is waddling type, and fourth is cursorial type, and fifth is sanctorial type. These are the various feet found in different birds, adapted to facilitate their movement. They move from one place to another. Some of the birds will walk slowly, and some birds will run on the floor, and some birds will run on the surface of the water, and some birds hold the branches like this. They hold the food, and some of the birds, their feet are adapted and modified in such a way that by seeing at some high feet, some high in the air, they just see the prey and catch immediately with the help of these feet only. So these are the feet, various feet found in different birds that help in movement of the birds. Anyway, in the next session, we'll see feathers of the birds, various types of feathers. This form the external skeleton of the body. In the next session, we'll discuss that. In this session, we were discussed about the various classes, the super orders, that is the Aves. Class Aves is classified into, and we have also seen some flightless birds like Struthiocamelus, which is commonly called as African ostrich, which runs on the floor, and Rhea americana, it is found in America, so it is an American ostrich. Emu is there, it is found in Australia. Like that, we have seen so many birds which are flightless, and even flying birds also seen. For example, crow, parrot, kabutar, that is dove, pigeon. We have seen so many examples. I'll show you the picture of birds. Yes, these are flightless birds. You can see. I think this picture is clear when compared to the previous one. These are some of the flightless birds. Picture is not clear. I'll show you another one. Yes, this, I hope it is clear. It is Rio, Pegio, vegan. Yes, it is ostrich of one type, emu. It is ostrich, emu, and emu of another type, and cassowary it is, and penguin, and kio. These are some of the examples of flightless birds. I hope you have got some idea about birds, their general features and classification. In the next class, we'll discuss about some more features of the birds and their feathers, the exoskeletal part in detail. Goodbye.